Hello, this is my first Minecraft Let's Play that is going to be posted. So right now I'm going to make a new one. This was my little thing with my brother. Well, we're going to be creating a new world, let's call it. Hello. What? I'm sorry, ladies. About the rich man. The rich man's. Oops, let's do just on just so it doesn't start in here. I don't know what they give you in these mods. Not this time. I don't know. They like Bana Pig, which is crazy amount of damage. It's something like 2,700,000 something. But you can use the one shield or everything except the tree, and the highest amount of damage you can do to that is 20. I know, 20. But there's a lot of cool things in this mod. Attack the B team. I'm not gonna tell it to you, but there's so much more. So much. So, and I have spawned in a apparently really good biome. What? Okay, wait. Sorry, my game is really laggy. Okay. Come on. Do one again. Rubber wood. What does it give you? Whoa. What is this? Raw rubber. What can you make of that? It's cool. Well, so my first Minecraft probably going to be posted, but in a few days, all this lag will go by. It's not gonna be here anymore. So, if you have any, let's first go to if we get 10 likes, I will play on a modded server, and I think that's gonna be really fun. But 100, and I will keep posting these like you've never seen them post. But first, let's just get down to basic Minecraft stuff. Oh, what am I doing? Okay, let's get this. Oh, it's jungle wood planks. Okay, so rubber is, that's good to know. These are just this mod. Let's build a pickaxe. Let's just get like 8 or something. Okay. Why did I leave the crafting table? I don't know. Well, I'm not gonna say new because I've had it for like a year now, Minecraft. Not like 2 or something. But just please, can you please help me on this thing? First video, this is really, really, really gonna help if you do big. Lots of subscribes. Well, then let's get down to talking. Mining. Let's get down to talking. Mining. Oh, what is this? Limestone. You can see in the bottom corner. This is limestone. Just trying to figure this out. Maple. Wait. Yeah, no. Wait, are these? Yeah, maple saplings. Rubber sapling. This is. Oh, really cool. I just. Oh, look. 208. Wait, I need to make sure I'm on. What? Okay, just. Well, this is. Wait, am I on cheat mode? No, I'm not. What? No! Can you post this and see what is wrong with all of these? Cause I don't know if it's my mods or anything like that, but if you know what's going on right now, tell me. I mean, I want to do this, but please just tell me. I mean, I'm not. After the video, I will experiment for it and actually try to get it done. But right now, like that. That's a new ore. It's not really new. Those guns are new. I've had this mod for a lot of time. I actually deleted like one other thing that I used to play creative, and it would be so fun. I know I'm using my wooden pickaxe because I don't want to waste my other one on stone. Well, if I do that, so this stuff, useless. I know. If I look up tin ore right now, watch. Tin. Okay. So, right here. This, it can't make swords or anything. I know, mutating spring, witchery. How to get this? Oh, how to get this? What? Oh, yeah. I'm kind of really good at this. But I don't want to die. Wow, I didn't take any hearts. Oh, no, it's okay. Let's get this iron. Ooh, there's gold right there. I can make a sauce thing, which with gold, it's like and I can make it like a stone rod or something to make it. Let me just look it up. Why do I keep going in chat? So, let's look it up. What is it? Saw. No, it's golden. Golden saw. What? Wait. Golden. I'm just gonna go to golden. Can I just look up saw? It's gonna be there. Okay, so golden saw. Oh, there's more saws. What? I want it. So much. Crafting profile. I want it so much. How can you not get it? Well, I'm gonna go into creative mode and just find out. Okay, so these are the things I need. Stone rod and stones. Stone stick. Let's go. Stone rod, okay. Back, no. No. Okay, so I need stone. Wait. Wait, what? Stone stick. It's not stone rod. Come on. Stone stick. Just cobblestone. I can make that right now. Money is not used to this. Wow. That's... Thank you. So the... No, not the stone stick. Well, these I already know how to craft, of course. Not like I'm new to Minecraft or something. But still. I'm not new to Minecraft, but this mod, I'm kind of new to. Not that new. I know everything, but like, I need an iron pick. Wait, do I need an iron pick? Do I need an iron pick? Do I need an iron pick? Yes, I need an iron pick. And dang it, there goes one gold. Well, let's just make this like a little... I know I have a crafting table up there. I meant to do that. I know. But right now, I just didn't have the time to go up. Okay, so don't put me on anything. Yeah. Can I put in like 6 of those and 2 of those? Yeah. So, but these I'm stuck. Die. And then they have it stuck. Yeah. Okay, so it's just like cool, I guess. Wow. Look it up. I'm probably gonna die. Okay, I didn't. Parkour. No, that's not parkour. It's jumping. And no. Still, this is a good little cave. What is that? Of all the times I've played on this, I've never... Wait a minute. 7. You need iron, yeah. Yeah. To move that, I don't have to put more in there. Wow. 6 iron. Can I do this? Wait. It would be awesome if you could.